You've grown.
I tried calling you before. Luke wasn't lying, was he? The war has started.
A great stirring is underway. The Titans walk loose from their prison. War is inevitable. I need my son by my side. Thank you for watching over him.
Percy, you're okay?
Tyson, look at me. The forge of my brother Hephaestus is hidden in the deep of my domain. We have need of your skills to craft weapons for the war to come.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If you need time to think it over...
I'll go. It's the least I can do, really, to repay you for Percy. What? A long time ago, on the streets, before I met you and Sally, it was really, really hard. I prayed to the gods for help. I prayed for a friend. And I was sent a brother. I'm gonna go get ready. Or wake up. Or, yeah.